Dr.SRIDHARAN from SNS College of Technology. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about UV visible spectra. So the UV visible spectroscopy is light interactions with matter, the electron excitations, both quantitative and qualitative analysis. So the UV visible spectroscopy is one of the important technique for analytical chemistry. It is used for many places like biomedical and industrial applications. For the production industries also, for the organic synthesis and the product also, the checking with the specific material and investigated by using the UV visible spectroscopy. The basic principle of UV ultraviolet visible spectroscopy, the basic principle of the transition, electronic transition like N, the interactions between the N, then N pi, like that. So it is related with the bond formations in between the compounds, carbon or other hetero atomic molecules. So the working principle of the UV visible spectroscopy based on the Lambert's law. First one is instant light. We pass through the instant light. Light emits the sample. And second one is the absorption. And third one is the transmitted light. And fourth one is the absorptions calculations, and finally transmutations calculations. We can get it for the final results. So it involves several steps. The basically absorption of light by the molecules. This is a simple schematic diagram of UV visible spectroscopy instrumentations, light source and entrance slit, dispersion element and exit slit, and also showing here the sample and finally the detector. So the light source we are used for the selective UV visible range of source we are used here, and pass through it for the sample. That sample molecules, it absorbs the light, and remaining light pass through the detector. So based on that ejected light, we can analyze the property of samples. So the instrument shows the different parts, entrance slits, dispersion device, the different lenses and exit slits. The UV visible spectroscopy, the sample transparency requirements, simplicity, cost effectiveness. There's a mainly NDT, so non-destructive test, and used for the very small quantity of samples. That is enough. Nearly a few ml is enough to analyze the sample. And light absorption limitations, sensitivity issues, and Lambert's law, irradiations. So these are the very important points, both working and we go for the applications and cost effectiveness, and everything is very comfortable to use for the various applications. both industrial and quality of materials in different laboratories. So UV spectroscopy, especially for the different applications, chemical industries and chemistry lab, for the making the developments of the new products, and checking also quality of the product and in process materials in biology, material science, environmental science, and pharmaceuticals. So here is also so conclude that the instrumentation, basic principle, sample preparations, data analysis, applications, and calibrations, and advanced techniques. So one of the simple and effective method of quantitative and qualitative analysis of chemical samples. Thank you.